friends to this Moodle tutorial. So this is my first video, and in this video we will learn how to change the theme. So by default this is a local host. I have not installed this Moodle on any site. This is on my local machine. So friends, remember one thing, for an admin, whenever you want to do any changes into the settings, so mostly all the names or the terminology remains same. So if you want to change the theme, so you have to search site administration. See, as if I'm clicking on this site administration. Okay, so now we have to change the theme. So now I will click on site administration. From this site, as you can see, I have not registered the site, it's on my local machine. From site administration you have to click on appearances. Now scroll to the theme selector. By default we have three themes: the boost theme, the clean theme, and the more theme. So by default boost theme is selected, as you can see, and now we have to select, suppose, the more theme. So we will click on this use theme button. It will say new theme saved, and it has some information about the theme. Just say continue and then select the home option. So from here you can see, first our navigation was on the left hand side, now it is on the right hand side. So the theme has been changed, the fonts has been changed, the design of look and feel has been changed. So now again we will change the theme to the boost theme by default. So click on site administration, then click on appearances. So you can click on the appearances word, or you can also click on the accordion, see, down arrow, up arrow, so you can also change. So Moodle is not very complex, it is just basic English thing. So now here you can see select theme selector, go to the theme selector, now use theme. So it says new theme saved, and you can see the look and feel has changed again. And now we are back on the home page. So this was how to change the theme. Now in next video we will see how to download the theme and how to use the new theme from external sources. So if you have liked this video, then please subscribe it and share with your friends. Do comment and let me know what are your views about this video. Thank you.